Morning students, in lecture number 4, I will discuss here exercise 10.2 question number 5. Question number 5 is prove that perpendicular at point of contact. Perpendicular at point of contact P to the tangent ABJ tangent passes through the center, means O. It passes through O. So given is, let AB be a tangent at point of contact P and OP perpendicular on AB. It is given to you. And you have to prove that the perpendicular at point of contact P on tangent AB passes through this center O. This you have to prove. It passes through O. How can you prove? We know that the radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. So this angle and this angle both are 90 degree. OP perpendicular on AB, it is given to you, and angle OPB equal to 90 degree. You suppose let perpendicular at point of contact P on tangent AB passes through M. It passes through M. You have to suppose if it passes through M, so MP perpendicular on AB, radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. So MPB equal to 90 degree. From first and second, you can say that these two angles will be equal. Angle OPB equal to angle MPB equal to 90 degree. But it is not possible, because you can say that a part cannot be equal to its whole. So MPB, it is a part of this circle, of this angle, sorry. Clear? So it is possible only if MP passes through center O. So you can say that perpendicular at point of contact P on tangent AB passes through the center O only. It is clear? Now question number 7 is very easy. Two concentric circle. These are concentric circle with center O. Radii 5 centimeter. This radius is 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter smaller. Radius is 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the bigger circle. AB is a chord for bigger circle which touches the smaller circle at point P. Clear? So how can you find the length of AB? You know very well. Let AB be a chord of bigger circle which touches the smaller circle at point of contact P, and OA, it is 5 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter, and how can you find this length AB? Solution. You know very well, AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent at point of contact P and OP is a radius. Therefore, you know very well, radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at contact point. So angle OPA equal to 90 degree, and in right triangle OPA you use Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus PO square is equal to AO square. AP square plus OP 3 square equal to OA 5 square, and this is 5 square 25. You transfer this one, 3 square 9, that will be equal to 16. AP equal to root 16, 4, and here AB is a chord and OP perpendicular on this, and perpendicular from the center to a chord bisect the chord. So this AP equal to PB and AP equal to PB, and AP you know very well 4 centimeter. So AB equal to AP 4, PB 4 equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? So question number 5 and 7 you can solve like this. Thank you.